Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's video. In this session, we will be discussing an exciting and interactive classroom activity called the Whiteboard Race. The Whiteboard Race is a warm-up activity that encourages student engagement, teamwork, and quick thinking. Let's dive into the details. First and foremost, the primary purpose of the Whiteboard Race activity is to stimulate brainstorming, collaboration, and rapid thinking among students. By participating in this activity, students are motivated to recall and share their prior knowledge on a specific topic. Moreover, the activity fosters teamwork, communication, and friendly competition among students. Moving on to student perspectives, students thoroughly enjoy the Whiteboard Race activity for several reasons. Firstly, it is a fast-paced and interactive exercise that keeps them engaged throughout. They actively participate by contributing their ideas and witnessing their words being written on the whiteboard. Additionally, the competitive nature of the race adds excitement and motivation, making the activity both engaging and enjoyable for students. From the teacher's standpoint, the Whiteboard Race activity holds significant value as it promotes active learning and student engagement. It provides teachers with an opportunity to assess students' prior knowledge on a topic and identify any misconceptions. The activity also encourages students to think critically, collaborate with their peers, and expand their vocabulary related to the given topic. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process to implement the Whiteboard Race activity in your classroom. Firstly, divide the students into two teams and arrange them in lines. Secondly, divide the whiteboard into two halves, assigning one to each team. Thirdly, explain the rules of the activity to the students, emphasizing the need to write words related to a given topic within a specified time limit. Once the rules are clear, announce the topic and start the timer to begin the race. During the race, the first person in each line runs to the whiteboard, writes a word related to the topic, and passes the pen to the next person in line. They then join the back of their team's line. This process continues until the time limit is reached. Finally, at the end of the race, tally the unique words written by each team. The team with the most unique words related to the topic wins the race. To conduct the Whiteboard Race activity, you will need a whiteboard or a large writing surface, markers or pens, and a timer or stopwatch. Now, let's explore a few variations you can consider to customize the Whiteboard Race activity. Firstly, you can adjust the time limit based on the complexity of the topic or the proficiency level of the students. Additionally, you can allow teams to challenge the validity of a word written by the opposing team, with the teacher acting as the final arbiter. Lastly, you can have students write phrases or sentences related to the topic to make the activity more challenging and engaging. To better understand the Whiteboard Race activity, let's consider a couple of examples. For example 1, let's say the topic is animals. Team A writes, cat, dog, lion, elephant, zebra. Team B writes, dog, tiger, giraffe, monkey, bear. In this example, Team A receives 4 points, and Team B receives 3 points. The word dog is repeated by both teams, so neither team receives a point for that word. Now, let's move on to example 2, where the topic is sports. Team A writes, soccer, basketball, tennis, swimming, cricket. Team B writes, basketball, baseball, golf, hockey, volleyball. In this case, Team A receives 3 points, and Team B receives 4 points. The word basketball is repeated by both teams, so neither team receives a point for that word. In conclusion, the whiteboard race activity is an engaging and interactive warm-up activity that promotes brainstorming, collaboration, and quick thinking among students. It encourages active participation, teamwork, and friendly competition. By implementing this activity in your classroom, you can create an environment that fosters critical thinking, communication, and vocabulary expansion. I hope you found this video informative, and I encourage you to consider incorporating the whiteboard race activity into your teaching toolkit. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.